Karen.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Karen.
Hi. I have a question. In the past, I've always gotten a flu shot, but sometimes it hasn't made me feel so well, and it kind of freaks me out that you hear that the flu shot can maybe actually give you the flu.
Everybody thinks this.
Yeah.
Everybody does think that.
It's so wrong, right?
It's very wrong.
Because isn't everything in the flu shot dead?
Yep. I always say it's like hamburger. It's like taking hamburger and saying it can moo and eat grass.
It can't.
It can't.
Right.
It's not alive.
This is really common. My mom, even my mom, hesitates to get them because she says that the shot makes her sick. It's impossible.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even more importantly, have you had your flu shot yet?
I didn't get it. Nope. I decided not to.
Come on over. I feel really strongly everyone needs to get a flu shot.
Can I also ask you, while you're helping her, can I also just clarify, no matter how strong the flu shot is, it can only protect you from a few strains of the flu. Is that correct?
Yeah. So
Nothing is 100%.
Right. So what they do, and thank Dr. Zipkin here from Go Health Urgent Care. He's giving you your flu shot today. Yay, thank you. So the way the flu shot works is they basically predict what strains are going to be circulating in each given year. It's a prediction. They do their best guess. They're not always right. Sometimes it's a lower accuracy than others. But it always activates your immune system and makes you more able to fight off the flu more readily. So even if you do get the flu, it won't last as long. You won't get as sick if you have that immunity build up in your system. And after you get the shot, that's why you don't feel that well. So when people say the flu shot gave me the flu, you're talking about those couple days, you get the shot, you're feeling kind of achy, you might have a low fever, and you're like, oh, I've got the flu. That's actually just your body's immune system responding the way it's supposed to the flu shot. It's building that immunity so that when that flu actually does hit, it can fight it off. And that's why you don't feel well, but it's not the flu.
And in a year like this, where it's been such a horrible, horrible year with multiple deaths, and it's in the nightly news literally every day.
Oh, absolutely.
Think of how much worse it would be
if there weren't any. Yeah, and I say, like, people are like,
it would be an epidemic.
Right, and they're like, oh, it's only 30% effective. I'm like, but 30%,
is a lot.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
And if I were to say, like, I have a shot that will give you a 30% chance of never getting cancer, people would be like going crazy to get it.
Right.
So you kind of have to put it in perspective that the flu really is that life-threatening for a lot of people. So it's really important to get your flu shot every year.
Get your flu shot!